Hey, how you doing, guys? And there's a video I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear tail light. All right, and there's 2002 for Escape. The simple picture is gonna be from 2000 to 2007. All right, so we're gonna replace this light over here, just in case if you have if it's broke, or you're gonna replace any like light, brake light or whatever. All right, so let's open this up. That's what we're gonna, first thing we gotta do, open it up, and then we're gonna remove this bolts over here, one over here and one at the top, one at the bottom. All right, that's what we're gonna do, that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna be using the screwdriver. All right, there's one. Two. All right, now the whole thing is holding by two clips, two plastic clips over here, one at the top, one at the bottom too. So all we gotta do is like pull it, or you can go like this way with your two hands and then push it. All right, that's one. Wiggle it, and there's the other one. All right, see, one at the bottom and one at the top. All right, and now you got, if you're gonna replace it, just disconnect this little guys, the light. All right, or you can twist this thing, and this is gonna come out. Same thing with the other one, same thing with the other one. All right, so now to put this back on, so you're gonna put the thing on. Alright, that's this thing that's on. Let's put this back on again. Alright, that is to take off the tail light, guys. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Alright, and I see you at the next one.